Here's why there's rattling from your hatch spoiler on your Cayenne. If you are hearing this, then it's likely a bolt that's loose. Mine came out of the base and rattled every time I opened the hatch. In the center, there's an electrical connector padded by foam. My foam disintegrated with age. Here's what this can sound like.
Let's get it back on here with foam so that it doesn't rattle.
To repair this, I used a zip tie and glove finger. If somebody was in here and didn't reseat the electrical connectors over the third brake light when they replaced something like the third brake light, then these electrical connectors will rattle and cause sounds. Reseat them to avoid issues. If your third brake light is rattling, that's because somebody over-tightened the Torx bolts that hold the brake light down, and the brake light is causing the noise. You can tell if you lightly press on the brake light and see if it rattles. And if you get the spoiler off, you can check if the mounts are cracked. I discovered this issue on a junkyard Cayenne, and realized too late after I bought the part from the junkyard that its mounts were cracked. So I had to buy an OEM brake light with intact plastic tabs. To check these out and find out for yourself why there's rattling, see this guide where we remove the spoiler and assess the situation. It's a step-by-step guide to remove the spoiler, and we cover the tools and reinstallation as well. Hopefully this video helped diagnose your spoiler rattles.